Electric vehicles are becoming more common, especially in commercial operations. And when a company has several of these electric cars in operation, the optional upgrade to the OCPP protocol is essential, especially for fleet managers. And here's how you set it up. Many charging network partners are already predefined by us. Through the Open Charge Point Protocol, or OCPP for short, the NRGkick communicates with you about charging times, charging amounts, and all of this happens unnoticed in the background. You don't have to worry about anything, the smart technology takes care of it. Now go in the app under the button, Extended, to Charging Network. If the charging network partner is predefined by the fleet coordinator, then select Predefined. The connection URL and charger ID are pre-filled in this case. Utilize the provider. The user ID will either be filled in automatically or needs to be entered manually as part of the serial number. Once all the information is complete, just confirm with the blue check mark. If your charging network operator isn't pre-configured, then click on Custom and select the data. Enter it manually. After a few seconds, the connection to the network is established, and all charging sessions are recorded by the fleet manager. Especially when they're charging at home and billing the electricity with their employer, this feature is essential.